Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to go ahead and show you the progression I got done today. I got everything else buttoned up and I went ahead and got some gas in the car and took it around the block, and it seems to be driving good. Since I've done the valve lash adjustment, I do notice that this past the driver's side um, header gasket is bad. You know, there's a leak probably around 6, I would say. Now on this side, I have a collector gasket leak on the bottom that I had sealed up once, but I went to change pipes and I never really got it sealed up, and that pipe's not going to stay on. I'm going to an X pipe. So what I decided to do to remedy these exhaust leaks, I've got those like new motorsports stainless steel headers, and I was thinking I wanted all stainless steel and keep the pipes X pipe that's already bunged for the air fuel ratio on the driver's side, and just get an exhaust shop to bend it out a little bit on the passenger side to make it for this 351 application. The H pipe has been separated in the center and widened to fit this application, but I don't like the H pipe because it's steel and I like full stainless steel exhaust. The pipe's cat back is stainless. The pipe's X I got going on, it's a 302. It's stainless, and the motorsports headers, as you know, they're stainless steel too. So I'm using aluminum, those smash gaskets, the aluminum gaskets that smash together and make a good seal. I think they're Percy's True Seal or something like that. And that's going to be my next step. I'm probably going to replace the socks and spark plugs all at one time. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is a pre-existing issue. You remember my throttle bracket? See, it's stripped for the second bolt, and this is how it was rigged up on the thin EGR spacer type of deal. So let me show you what I did. I went to Roll King. Oh, I love Roll King. I got oil, I got bolts, I got a threaded bolt. The girl hooked me up 39 cents for the whole bag of stuff. Sweet. So anyway, let me show you, getting back to the video. Let's see. There we go. Now, right here, I got a lock washer, a nut, and that locked in together. From one bolt, I cut 2 bolts off and cut the head off. Now, at the bracket side, I got it nut here, lock washer, and nut tightened in. That joker's there. It ain't going nowhere. There ain't no movement. It's locked in. That's ready to go. You see what I'm saying? Straight, brand new. I cut them apart, got them all ready to go. I know it's an easy thing, but it's knocking off one little thing at a time. You know how that goes. So I got that done, and I wanted to go ahead and fire up for you. It's a lot of little things, you know what I mean? So, like I say, I gotta get the headers next, and the X pipe, and having a hot rod's a lot of work. Uh-oh. As always, guys, keep on dreaming.